guys, welcome back to the channel, Diamond Painting with Anxiety. I'm Karen. So this is a special unboxing, an unboxing I'm a little bit nervous about. This is a painting that, like so many of us, I ordered from Diamond Art Club back in September, I think it was. And today is October 15th and it's just arrived. I knew it was coming. I originally kind of bought it for my personal stash, but this year, as I've been completing diamond paintings and hanging them up in the main part of the house for Halloween decor, the residents have been so excited about them that I decided quite some time ago that I would go ahead and make this a whole house project for the diamond painters that are diamond painting here at the shelter with me, and that we would do it together. So let me show you what I got. It's Diamond Art Club's Square Halloween Haunted House. A little bit of glare there. Yeah, and that's the wrong way around. Okay, let's turn it this way. All right, so that's what it is. I'm a little bit nervous because, like I said, it's the 15th. I would like to get this completed really, really quickly and get it hung up. I don't know if it's even possible that we'll be able to get it hung up before Halloween, but I'm certainly going to give it a good old college try. So, let's see what we got here. We do have a sticker. Okay, sorry about that. I got a phone call right in the middle of that. Hopefully I'll be able to edit it out. We'll see. If not, it'll be super embarrassing. But hey, it's me. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It's nicely bagged. Halloween Haunted House, 31 by 22, 79 by 56 centimeters. So this is a big one, you guys. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to get it all in my little tiny filming area here. But, oh, yeah, I'm not going to be able to, I don't think. But, oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. Oh, that's amazing. I do see that it's got quite a bit of color blocking, so that will help. The residents are going to absolutely love this. This is going to be so much fun to work on. Look at all those diamonds, you guys. That's awesome. So let's see how much of this I can actually show you. I know that there will be a ton of unboxings done on this on the channel. I'm not going to do this real formally. It is, like I said, let's see, it is, oh, where does it tell me? It's 79 by 56 centimeters. So it's a nice big painting. The residents and I are going to love this. It's square, and I see that it's got some color blocking, so that's going to be really good because that'll make it go a little bit quicker. Squares are always faster for me. I'm better able to multi-place them than I am with rounds. I'm not really good at rounds. So I think just kind of looking at this, it's going to go pretty quick, and it needs to, because hopefully we will have this done by October 31st. It does have 42 colors. The symbols are normal Diamond Art Club quality, so that's awesome. This one, it looks like, does have two ABs, which are the ones and the twos. Already I can see that the twos are up here in the, what is that? Is that a pumpkin? Yeah, it looks like in the pumpkins. Up here in the moon, in the windows, down here in some of these cobwebs. Yeah, I think number 2 is I don't really want to go, like I said, I'm not going to do a real formal unboxing, but let's see if I can spot those 2 colors. ABs will be really fun for the residents to work on. I don't think most of them have probably worked with ABs, so yeah, there's a nice big bag of the white ABs. So that's that. And then 130. Yeah, And those are ABs as well. They're a yellow AB. Did I show you that? Wasn't even looking. So 141 is some beautiful white ABs. And then we have just 130, just, you know, a few of the yellow ABs. So that'll be really fun for the residents. They're really going to enjoy this. This is going to be so awesome, and it'll feel so festive. It's just going to be amazing. I mean, the detail on this is going to be so cute. I can't wait to get it done and get it hung. But time's short. I have not only this to complete, I have some projects of my own. So when I was thinking about doing this with the residents and rushing to get it done, I came up with a crazy idea, you guys. I decided that it would be really fun to enter this in drills and chills. Now, I am not even concerned about winning a prize. I mean, how would I even divide one prize amongst all the residents that are probably going to help me work on this? So I'm not concerned about, you know, winning a prize. I just want to participate. So then I thought to myself, well, I could post it under my Instagram, but then I got a wild and crazy idea. So here's a really special announcement for you. I have created an Instagram account for the His House Resident Diamond Painters. Would love to have you come follow us. And I'll be posting updates on this, I think daily or at least pretty often, of our progress as we try to rush to get this completed. By the time Drills and Chills ends on the 31st. I think it ends on the 31st. Anyway, we hopefully will end by the 31st. Maybe even sooner, because I'd love to get this up a day or two before Halloween and let the kids here in the house join it. Now that I enjoy it, now that I've seen it and I see some of this nice color blocking, I think it might be possible to get it done, but we're going to have to work really hard. Hopefully a lot of them that like to diamond paint will participate with me, but I'll keep you updated. So like I said, come follow us over on Instagram. It's His House Resident Diamond Painters. And we would love to have you come over and find us on Instagram. I'll be sure to put that link down below. I'll be posting updates probably on our Facebook page, which is Diamond Painting Path Project as well, and maybe on Diamond Painting Underground too. So we would love to have you come join our Facebook group, follow us on Instagram, and watch us race to complete this beautiful Diamond Art Club by Halloween. We're going to get started on this tonight on October 15th, so that gives us 16 days to get this knocked out. So come and join us in our journey to rush to get this completed and, you know, have some spooky, sparkly Halloween fun. Yeah, it's going to be amazing. So thanks so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe. Don't forget to come find us on Instagram, His House Diamond Painters. And maybe come join our group on Facebook, Diamond Painting Path Project. And before I let you go, like always, I want to remind you that we can change lives one drill at a time, even if it's just our own. Because when we change our lives, the entire world around us is going to change. So come watch the residents change their lives. We'd love to have you join us. That's it for now, you guys. I'll see you really soon.